Hey, Nonno!
Hey!
What are you doing?
Hey, I just make this thing to scare the birds.
I was wondering what that was.
The birds here, they eat everything.
Oh,
Yeah. Just
what
to
is
make-
it?
There's a eagle.
Oh, it's an eagle.
Plastic one, yeah. I put some bell here to make a noise.
Oh, you're so funny. And what do you
So I
do?
put it here,
Okay.
and I go inside here. When I have a lunch, I can see the birds come here, and I go all around inside, and I pull the string to pull. Everything can fly away.
What?
The fly.
So you pull that cord when you see a bird coming? Is that what you do?
The bird, they just pull the string and the birds fly away. That's okay.
Okay, so you pull it from your bedroom?
Yeah, from my bedroom, from inside the bedroom. I go inside
From
the
your
bedroom.
bedroom. You funny.
And I pull the...
So you
birds
pull it
fly
every
away.
time you see a bird. Oh,
birds
that's
scared
so
of the-
funny.
The fly.
That's clever, but funny. Okay. Let's see how that's... Okay. So he's made this little contraption to scare the birds away so that they stop eating all his veggies and fruit trees.
Yeah, really, they're not coming anymore.
Oh, they're not coming anymore.
Since I put this one there, they're not coming anymore.
Oh, no, you're so funny.
I go inside and pull this one up, they escape, they're not come back anymore.
That's too funny. You're very clever, Nonno.
So I just do
Very
like this,
clever
they
man.
don't know why you not come back anymore.
Yeah. Like from here, it looks so real. That's funny.
Now I'm gonna give a rest because the birds is tight now.
The bird's tired, is it? Oh. Give him a rest. You funny man, Nonno. Very clever though.
That's pastime, what are you gonna do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, very
But
clever.
the birds here is a big problem. When we got tomato here, they come and break all the tomato.
Yeah.
So I have to do something to scare them.
Yeah. And the fruit trees as well, yeah?
Yeah, the fruit, they take the fruit. They come early in the morning
Yeah.
when everybody's sleeping, they take out the fruit.
And it's hard when you've worked so hard.
I know, yeah. You work so hard to look after and then the birds break everything.
Yeah.
So you gotta do
You
something.
gotta do something, yeah.
Something to scare them away.
Yeah. That's true, Nonno.
That's good.
Very clever.
Yep.
Very clever. Okay, you gonna leave us with a song?
You want to sing another song?
Yeah.
Which one? Which one?
Shorty.
Ok. Shuri, shuri, shuri di tutto l'anno, l'amore mi da stiti l'utorno. Shuri, shuri, shuri di tutto l'anno, l'amore mi da stiti l'utorno. Shuri di rance, shuri rambicanti, ma mia tu non sai, non si chiudenti. Shuri, shuri, shuri di tutto l'anno, l'amore mi da stiti l'utorno. Hey, hey, hey!
Beautiful. Thank you, Nonno. See you
Okay.
next time.
See you,
Ciao.
bye, love
Ciao.
you, ciao.
Bye.